Hello everybody, here is the 2015 Glastron GT 207. This boat only has 112 hours on it, and it shows that it was very well taken care of during those 112 hours. Boat is pretty much scratch free all along the hull. Everything looks great. Trailer is also in awesome shape. Very beautiful boat. And this is a jet. Extended platform, swim platform. It's your ladder right in the middle. There's your jet down here with the reverse gate. Beautiful colors. Again, if I didn't know better, I would think this boat is brand new. The care that's been taken with this boat. Snap in, snap out carpet. Got a nice aftermarket Sony Bluetooth in here. 9-person capacity. Very sporty looking dashboard here. Nice wheel. Very spacious actually up here in the bow. Very spacious. This boat is just a very spacious boat for its size. You can have a lot of people on here very comfortably. All right. Give me a call, 6248-683-0200, extension 3513. My name is Shane. Let's talk about this boat. Take care.